Click on the plus icon. Now enter your app name. In the next step, select your business type. Choose an app template that you like. Then click on Navigation. Now drag and drop Draw Navigation on app screen. Then, enter title of your app, here on the right side. Finally, drag and drop Pages on the bottom right. Then click on hamburger icon to see the pages. Now, your draw navigation is complete.